How is it going, guys, and welcome to another video. On this video I will be showing you how to unlock a Samsung Galaxy. It is very easy and we will be doing it together step by step. So let's start with the first step. Once your phone is on, go to the dial screen. In here you will have to dial *#06#. A 15-digit number will appear on your screen. Go ahead and write down this number. We will need it on our next step. Now let's go ahead and turn off the phone.
Alright, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. We have to fill in the form, brand of your phone. So this will work for any other brand as well. Then you're gonna write down your IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of the video, so just make sure you write it down correctly. Then you have to type the email where you want to receive your code or the notification that your phone has been unlocked. So just make sure you write it down correctly. It's very important, otherwise you won't get your unlock code. So just make sure it is 100% correct. Alright, so now you have to wait until you get your unlock code. This will take a couple of days, as I said before, so you have to be very patient. But for this example, I'm gonna show you how the email I got looks. So I'm gonna go to my personal email account. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. So I'm just gonna open it. So as you can see here, it says that everything went successful and now we have instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you're gonna have an unlock code. In other cases, you simply will get a confirmation that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm gonna show you how to do the unlock or how to activate the unlock. I'm gonna switch back cameras.
So let's just go to the last step. We have to insert an unsupported SIM. You should get an automatic message just like this. Enter network unlock code. This is a code that you got on your email, so make sure you enter that number correctly. Remember that this code works specifically just for this phone. If you enter this code on another phone, it won't work. So after you enter the unlock code correctly, go ahead and press OK. Yes, there you go, guys. It's unlocked. Now you can use it with any GSM carrier worldwide. Enjoy your phone and don't forget to subscribe.